An article was published in The Hollywood Reporter titled "Scandal in Oz, Over the Rainbow Plagiarized?" And the article laid out the possibility that Harold Arlen may have heard this tune by a woman who wrote this piece of music in 1910.
There are similarities between Over the Rainbow and this piece of music, but every so often, somebody identifies a piece of music that sounds like Over the Rainbow, the Song to the Moon from Dvorak's Rusalka. The intermezzo from Mascagni's William Radcliffe. Over the Rainbow has, in some ways, some very basic melodic elements to it. It starts with the octave. And that octave that expresses Dorothy's yearning, it's actually used to teach music students what an octave is. So I think that's another example of how pervasive Over the Rainbow is in our ears. And so I think that it's very easy for there to be similar phrases in other pieces of music that are just coincidence.
I don't think there's a case to be made for plagiarism, especially because we have so much information about the process Harold Arlen and Yip Harburg went through to write Over the Rainbow, so I would say that's a no.
The melody of Over the Rainbow, I'll demonstrate for a second. And then I will now play the melody of the etude. So as you can see, there are some 2 or 3 note differences, but it's almost identical. And as a composer myself, I don't think it could be just a subconscious or inspired by. It's just my opinion. Don't want to get anyone in trouble.